Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Yes, this is Christmas. So I had a swap in the group Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And I got this on time. I didn't show you what I sent my partner, but I am going to link her video in the description box. That way you can see what I sent her. So this was, we were to send each other a advent calendar for Christmas. And let me tell you guys, this is gorgeous. So on the front, she's got at the bottom, she's got this crocheted doily at the bottom. And then she went ahead and put this, I'm not sure what this is. It's some kind of a eyelash trim of some sort. And she put it all the way around the doily. And on top of that, she put some of these little sprays, I guess. It's a white, green, and red. And then she put a beautiful bow here in the center with a little green flower. And look at these guys. Aren't they adorable? Oh my goodness, they are so cute. I forgot to tell you, this comes from Lisa, which is Charlisa's Crafty Corner, I believe is her YouTube channel. And then on the top, she put Merry Christmas, another pieces, a couple pieces of little spray. And look at this tree, guys. Oh my gosh. Now that has a lot going on. I love it. It's got the gold star on the top. It's got little bows. It's got this gold beaded trim. And then it's got little ornaments. It's a gorgeous little tree. And then at the bottom, she's got this round doily. And then on top of that, she's got this other rosette. It's a large rosette. And it's got like little snow with iridescent glitter on it. And then she's got a smaller doily and then the Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree is up on dimension. And we did follow a tutorial. So we were all required to send the, of course, the same advent calendar. And then for the closure, she used 3 ribbons that are white, green, and red. And then she uses really pretty paper down on the box itself as the first mat. And this is the side. And then this is the back. And this is the bottom. Guys, I want to show you the spine to this box. Look at this beautiful trim that she put on the side. It is gorgeous little trim. These little flowers with the pearls in the center. But guys, look at her charm, at her dangle. Oh my gosh, look at this dangle. It is gorgeous. She made, well, okay. So it's got this little angel on there. And look at the beads on there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if she made it or it came that way, but I'm willing to guess that she may have made it. Anyway, it is gorgeous, gorgeous little angel. And then she's got some beautiful beads on here. And yeah, look at this one. That's so pretty. And it's got a little candy cane on there. She's just got some beautiful beads in here. And let me see if I can, okay. And it is attached to this bow. It's a silver bow with another green flower in the center. And I just love it. There's a little boot in there. There's a larger bead, a red bead there at the bottom. And it's got all kinds of Christmas charms. This one's a little ice skate. My gosh, I love it. There's a little reindeer in here. It has got so much in here. And I love it. Lisa, thank you so much. I love this. It is beautiful. I love your beads. So all her beads are, glass. She's got all glass beads. And they are so pretty in the beautiful Christmas colors. Love it. I love it all. That was a little present. And oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. I love it. So we were supposed to fill this with, you know, a plethora of items. And I've already taken all of them out just so I don't have to open each individual box. But I do want to show you the inside. So we just have to, you know, just untie that. And then this is the inside of her box. This is the largest two boxes are here on the sides. And this is a medium box. And then she decorated all the fronts as well. And then these are the smaller boxes that that we made for this advent calendar. And it is so pretty. Lisa, this is gonna go up as part of my decor this year for Christmas. I love it. You did an amazing job with this advent calendar. I love it. So let me show you guys what was in here. She added all these little handmade flowers. There we go. And then we were supposed to make some rosettes, and here are her rosettes. I want to say hers has extra. Look at this one. How pretty is that? So she made me my rosettes. And how pretty is this one? Very cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, those are so adorable. So she made the oops, sorry about that. She made me my rosettes. And then she also included some more handmade flowers. And all these come out of the little boxes that I showed you guys. So and they did have, you know, red shred inside the box. So I didn't take the red shred out. But here are some more handmade flowers. So adorable. And then she sent me a whole bunch of bows. Love the bows. Look at that. That is so cute. So she sent me all these bows. Love them. Man, I love these bows. Thank you, Lisa. Very pretty. And then we were supposed to send 2 slimline cards. And this is her first one. And that's so pretty. I like that on the top. That is so adorable. And then the inside is plain. And she did include her envelopes. So that's her first card. And her second card is this other one with the different background. It's got the gold and then the poinsettia background. It's got this beautiful little chipboard piece. The tree, just like the other one, except this one has, you know, the ho ho ho. The other one says good tidings. And it's got this cute little wreath around it. And then again, she included the envelope. And then she gifted me some of the baby deer. My goodness, aren't those cute? Let me see if I can get better lighting on here. Nope. Aren't those adorable? Oh, I can't wait to use those. They don't have to be just for Christmas, because actually they just have little flowers there. I could use them any time of the year. Those are so cute. I love those. And that is a lot of them, actually. And then she included something I've never used, but I can't wait to use it. It is glitter ink from Spectrum Noir Sparkle is what this is called. And yeah, guys, I've never used this, so I cannot wait to use these. Gosh, can you imagine what it looks like? I don't want to open it, but I mean, it's really sparkly. So can't wait to use that. And then she sent me a couple of embossing powders. This one is Buttercup and this one is Gold. Those are pretty. And then she also included a Distress Embossing Glaze. So I've never used this one either. I think it melts to a translucent glaze. Yeah, this will be interesting, and I love that color. I really do. I want to say this is speckled. Yeah, it is speckled egg. I not too long ago when the Tim Holtz speckled egg came out, I purchased the ink pad, and then I got the refill, and then I got the spray, but I did not get the embossing glaze. So this is a very, very welcome addition to my little speckled egg family. And then the last thing she included was a handful, now to me it's a lot, of these little cherubs. And those are so cute, these little angels, and they all have a different little pose. And they are so, so cute. And I don't know if she made these or she purchased them like this, but they are so adorable. I can't wait to play with these. These will look beautiful on anything, actually. So anyway, guys, I wanted to share with you what she had sent me. I did forget to share the trim that she sent me. She sent me some of this trim that she used on the front of her advent calendar. Isn't that cool? I love that. I really, really do. I can't wait to find something to put it on. That is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen this. So we were supposed to send 2 yards, and she sent me well over 2 yards of this trim. But not only that, she sent me some other trim, and look how pretty this is. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this one. Oh, that is beautiful. And again, I mean, she sent me, well over 2 yards, guys. I forgot to include that, but Lisa, thank you. Oh, I love that. I really, really do. Beautiful. I am going to go ahead and leave the link to her channel in the description box, guys. Go visit her and tell her I sent you. That way you can see what I sent her. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.